I wanted to make this video to share with people the journey I went on when I built my home without a general contractor. As a single woman, I was concerned about, is this something I can do? What's the process? I used a company that I cannot tell you the name. They're a home building consultant company. So what that means is, as you go to build your home, they will give you advice. You've got forms, you've got different things to help you along the way. So was it worth it? Is it worth it to go this route and build without a general contractor? I'm gonna say the answer is yes and no. In my case, I have a background in real estate. I used to be a real estate broker, so I understood the ins and outs of financing. I'd had one client that built a home from scratch, but they had a general contractor. But because of that background, I thought that I would be able to do this and be successful at it. I also thought, well, I'll have this experienced consultant to rely on to keep me on track. And I'll save money by not having that cost that would normally go to a general contractor. If you're somebody who has that kind of a background, perhaps you work in the construction field, or you have a finance background, you work in real estate, or you're just someone who really likes to be in control of the process. Because in this way, you get to be in on all the planning, you get to hire your own subcontractors, you get to do quite a bit of the work yourself. And you'll see that in my process, I did way more of the work than I even planned to do in the beginning. Some of that was some of the issues that I had with my home. But you'll get to see how I went from a house, from just raw land, completely wooded, about an acre, to a home that I am so proud of and love and am very, very happy in. I will say it is not the home of my dreams, but it is a home that is more than I could have expected, and I'm extremely happy. I went from a 1,000 square foot 3-bedroom home with no garage, just a tiny home, to a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage home on an acre. Even though my home is only 1,550 square feet, because of the way it's laid out and it's 2-story, it feels much bigger. So on the next few videos, I'm going to tell you how that process went, how I went through the different stages of planning to construction and the different phases, and the things that I experienced, and some of the pitfalls, but some of the great things about it also. So I hope you'll come back and see some of my other videos describing my home build process. And also my other hobbies are prepping, because we never know what can happen. You want to be prepared for the future. And also just all kinds of do-it-yourself home projects. And I'll be doing product demonstrations. So please come back. And my channel is called FemBuilt. And my name is Kim. Thank you.